Hi everyone, this is Anvika and here is my fourth STEAM project. What I made for this project is a book, a short story, and a bookmark on Canva. So this is my story and I will read my story to you. I also added some background music. This is the title page. The title of my story is The Unicorn Who Loved Art. If you click this button, it will go next. Once upon a time, there was a unicorn named Starry. She loved art. One day when she was painting a beautiful sunset with pink clouds, she used too much pink paint and emptied the paint bucket. The paint supply store was a long walk because Starry was outside the city. Starry couldn't fly, so she had to walk or find a ride. So Starry decided to walk when she saw Pegasus leaving. Starry thought that she should ask the Pegasus for a ride. Starry went near the Pegasus and asked for a ride. The Pegasus agreed to give a ride, so Starry introduced herself. The Pegasus's name was Sky. Starry climbed on Sky and told Sky that she wanted to go to the paint store. They took off into the sky. Then they arrived at the art and paint supplies store. Starry bought some painting supplies and went home. The end. And I will show you my bookmark. So this is my bookmark. I have a golden background and it says, "Shh, still reading." Thanks for watching. Bye!